Reading enhances our vocabulary and knowledge. Reading books gives us an opportunity to learn new things and explore new ideas. Let's check out some tips that will help you in improving your vocabulary. It includes reading every night, having conversations, telling these stories, and labeling of household items. Try to read a book of your own choice every night. This will help you to increase your vocabulary. Reading books provides you with a lot of chances to ask questions. Try to focus on the sentences your parents speak. Having long conversations with your parents help you to improve your speaking vocabulary. Read storybooks and then share those stories with your parents. Reading storybooks is one of the best way to improve your vocabulary. Labeling the household items and then reading them leaves a great impact on your reading vocabulary. This thing will help you to learn the names of the household items more easily.
If you like this educational interactive video, check out our complete range of educational digital course books. Visit our website at sfpublishers.net to discover more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon and select the option of all notifications. In this way you won't miss out any fresh upload of ours.